Okay, so I don't know about that. What the hell? What did that stick? Oh, it's my thing. Okay, we get back to hunting. I mean, that would mean I'd have to emulate it and then, and then play. Also, TGM, I already got everything except this thing. I just don't have this Arctovish. Anyway, Skullbro, I had a question. Do you happen to understand RNG Reporter? No. Oh. So I was trying to set up for a really fun playthrough with the Cute Charm glitch Pearl version, but I just don't. I don't fucking know. I'll just put it at that. Like, I do not understand that shit. Everything is blurry. See, I don't know, I think it'd be really fun. It's stuff like that where I'm just like, I wish I was good at things like this and I wish I understood, but I don't understand. Like, it doesn't matter how many tutorials I see about, like, their SID and trying to deal with it, I just don't know why. And some people are like, yeah, I get it in like 5 times. I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? You know, I don't actually remember what these shinies look like.